Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Waterloo, local and long distance movers near me. Long distance moving is the carrying of goods from one area or state to a different state, which is miles away, crossing border states to reach the desired destination. This requires adequate preparation of time, finances, equipment, and appropriate resources. 3 Movers gladly offers these services, having the best equipment to carry and package their customers' properties, well-trained staff to carry out their job, the best cars and lorries which have highly trained drivers. Goods are safely handled during the moving process and timely delivered to the customer's specified location. Don't hesitate to contact us and get the best services at the value for your money. Local moving is moving from one area to a different area or the same location within the same state. It can be fun or stressful according to the way you want it to be. We at 3 Movers want your moving experience to be as fun as possible and stress-free. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Waterloo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.